Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart English with Miss Bushra with another and most awaited lesson number 10, day 10. I know you guys were waiting for the lesson 10 and I was keep working on a lot of series for you to get updated. Well, the quiz went well and we are looking forward for the more quiz and a lot of things together, but it is all about the matter of your participation. If your participation is with me and your support, then we can grow together. Let's learn together and grow together is only the motive of our channel. Let's get to start today's class. In day 10, lesson 10, we are going to cover up the 30 days English speaking course. That is our goal. And now, alhamdulillah, we are on the lesson 10. So, I just welcome all my new listener and the previous listeners of the Smart Learners on Smart English with Miss Bushra. So, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Smart English with Miss Bushra Qadeer with another series of 30 days speaking course. Let's get started. So, in the objective of today's class, we are not going to talk about only the things that we used to study, but we are going to have a quick reinforcement that what we studied. So previously in the previous classes we studied about present tense, the past tense and future tense, but the category was simple. Alright students, in today's class the objective of my today's class is to learn to talk about daily routines, food habits, hobbies and also the travel experience. Well, we will talk about these things also in detail, and I want to listen a lot of things from my students because a teacher and a student, their bonding should be like friendship, and I believe in that, by the way. So let's get to start today's class. In this today's class, we are going to explore how we can improve our English speaking on daily basis, because that is the goal of every linguistic teacher, to make their students speak at least their daily habits, hobbies, their travel experiences, their food they like, their dislikes, and a lot of things, but that is belonging to their daily habits. That is called conversational based daily habit. Okay, whatever your level is, if your level is beginner, or if your level is advanced, if your level is intermediate, that is okay. We are learning together, we are growing together. Now students, if your level was beginner, mashallah, you have taken 10 classes, it is your 10th day, you can say that now I am improving, right? So let's do a quick warm-up session. Hello everyone, like how you would ask, how you would introduce yourself, how's your day going on, hit the comment, what's your favorite food. These are some of the questions that I have asked. When you are going to introduce yourself, you usually ask what's your name, where do you live, what are your hobbies, how are you doing, how is life going on, what do you do, where do you study, and usually you ask some questions related to likes and dislikes. So here in this lesson we are going to cover up how you can ask, how you can break the ice while you are going to meet new people. So previously I have written some of the questions likewise, how's your day going on? So tell me in the comment section that how is your day? Do you like coffee or tea? Do you like pasta or any other food? So I want to know about my students, what are their likes, what are their dislikes, what are their regular habits. Let's practice some real life conversation now. In the real life conversation, you are supposed to make WH questions. Now let me tell you WH questions. What are WH questions? WH questions are what, where, how, when, whom, which. These small WHW questions are very small, but they have a powerful meaning that can break the ice, and also it gives you a chance to have the real life conversation. How are you feeling today? What's your nickname? Do you work or study? Who is your favorite buddy? Favorite buddy means favorite friend, best friend. Tip: use complete but simple sentences, and that is the very good tip, by the way. You have to make complete sentence. For example, if the question is If someone asks you, how are you feeling, Miss Bushra? And Miss Bushra say, fine. Fine is like, it's okay to say fine, but if you were saying complete sentence, yeah, I'm feeling fine. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling wonderful. I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling tired. If you express yourself in some of the adjectives, now you know the adjectives, the qualities of yourself, and the bad qualities of yourself also. So, this is the simple tip that you have to use simple sentences as possible as you can, not saying the answers in yes or no, which is not so good. Like if someone asks you, where do you live, and you would say only Canada or Pakistan or Japan or UAE, the only telling your country is not enough. Like if you have ever seen or if you have ever taken IELTS or advanced classes, they will guide you how to how to tell your sentences in a complete simple manner, not to say only yes and no and one word answer. Now let's get and dive into the activity time. There is a challenge, by the way, which I have mentioned. So you have to complete this challenge, and you are supposed to complete this challenge in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your, comments, by the way, and I'm receiving a lot of positive response by the grace of Almighty Allah. So let's continue our examples. Examples are very important whenever a teacher is giving you example. That is called demonstration, and that is wonderful practice to do it. So in the example, you are supposed to go and tell people and ask people how you would going to ask WH questions. In this whole lesson of today, we will practice daily life conversation, how we can start speaking. For example, if you are going to meet with the new people, how would you introduce yourself? How would you ask question? Like introduction is the first thing. After that, what would you say? This is what we are learning right now. What's your favorite fruit? What do you like to do in your spare time? Spare time means free time. Now, this is what I have written my answers to give you the example of, how you can write these questions. Like, I like biryani. That is true. I like pizza. That is also true. And how about you? If I would say biryani, that is one word answer. Okay, but not appropriate. I would suggest, being a teacher, try to use simple sentences following the structure in your mind, which I taught you in previous lessons, lesson 6, 7, 8, subject, verb, object structure. Try to follow that structure and make complete sentences. Now, if you have not seen my previous lessons, go check it out on my YouTube channel, Smart English with Miss Bushra, the previous lesson of subject, verb, and object. In that, I have taught you how to make simple sentences using present simple, past simple, and future simple. Now, this is activity time. In the activity time, let's know more about your favorite food, personality, character, hobby, and color it in the comment section. Color it means you have to explore it. Obviously, we're not gonna color that. We're not learning art and craft here, but yeah, you have to put colors in your sentences. Likewise, you have to put some garnishing on it. And how you would do that, you will going to tell me in a full lines. Like wise, for example, you can say, like, in that comment section, you're going to talk about your favorite character. Your favorite character can be any cartoon character, movie character, or any favorite personality that you like the most. It can be Islamic, political. I would not mind to know more about my students. Well, let's conclude today's lesson, and it went well because we talk about daily life conversation, how we can improve our English speaking. Let's suppose that you are going to meet a new person, and after introduction, what would you say? You would say, how are you? What's your name? And after doing all of these, then definitely you are going to talk about and discuss about their hobbies, their likes and dislikes. And yes, whenever we are meeting with a new person, we should discuss these things. So it can break the ice, and it can give you a chance to open up in the conversation. So definitely in English, it is my things, it is my duty to tell you that how you can break the ice. So the summary and a quick recap of what we have learned: you have to speak 1 minute about your day, not speak, you are going to write it also and share it, including food, hobby and habits. Record yourself and share in the comments. You're not supposed to do the recording. Obviously you are going to write it in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for English practice. Follow us on the YouTube channel Smart English with Miss Bushra. Stay tuned, stay connected, hit on the bell icon for the upcoming series, upcoming videos. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks for watching and giving your precious time. Now it is your responsibility to like, share and subscribe, and also share with your friends. Bye bye.